everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. During festivals, we all love to make those special sweets to share with our family and friends. Today I'm going to share a wonderful and colorful sweet recipe that you all will absolutely love. We're going to make this delicious sweet boondi. Let's get started and check it out. For the sweet boondi, first we need to prepare the batter. I'm taking 3 cups of besan with this 250 ml cup measurement. Now gradually add the water to the besan for the correct consistency. Otherwise the batter can become very thin and runny. Mix the batter well using a whisk. It is easy with this one. Now make sure as no lumps are there in the batter. It should be really smooth like this. Divide the prepared batter into 2 other bowls for adding colors. Now I am taking approximately 4 ladles of batter into each bowl. In one bowl I am adding 2 to 3 drops of red color gel. You can add the color according to the quantity of batter. Now this color is very light, so I am adding a little more gel. If you don't have gel color, don't worry. You can also add edible color powders as well. So you can see this has a nice orangish tone. Next add green color powder and mix well. Now all the batters are ready. We can make the boondi. For making the boondi, heat oil in a white pan. Take a ladle with holes for making the boondi. Pour the batter onto the ladle and swiftly spread it over. Make sure the oil is very hot so the boondi will not stick to each other. You get the sizzling sound immediately after you drop the batter. Once the sizzling sound stops, you can remove the boondi from the kadai. This is a tip for you to check when to remove the boondi from the oil. So remove the fried boondi and place it in a paper towel. Next, let's make the boondi with the red color batter. Follow the same steps like that of the plain boondi. Once they're all fried, remove them from the kadai. Next, let's make the green colored boondi. Once they are also fried, remove from the kadai and place it in the same paper towel. Next, deep fry some cashew nuts until golden brown and keep them aside. Lastly, fry the raisins until they plump up and then keep them aside. Now mix all the 3 colored boondis together. At this point, remove the tissue papers and mix the boondi freely. For making the sugar syrup, take a saucepan, add 1 cup of water and 2 cups of sugar. Mix everything well. Once the sugar is fully melted, boil the syrup for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. After 3 to 4 minutes, touch and check whether the syrup is sticky or not. This should not be in string consistency. It should just be slightly sticky. The syrup is ready now. Turn off the stove. Now I'm taking the boondi in a bowl. Add fried cashew nuts and raisins. Next add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and also add half teaspoon of edible camphor or pacha karpooram. This is entirely optional, but this gives a very nice flavor to the boondi. Now mix everything well. Next add the piping hot sugar syrup into the boondi and mix it all again. As you can see, the boondi will immediately absorb all that syrup. There you go, you have this yummy sweet shop style sweet boondi that is ready to be enjoyed. You can enjoy it hot or at room temperature, and you can cool this down completely and store it in an airtight jar for about 4 to 5 days if you like. Wow, just look at that beautiful colorful boondi. It makes for a wonderful festive treat. I really enjoyed that sweet boondi. It tasted amazing, and of course it's so colorful and it's pretty simple to make. Make sure to follow all the steps to get it perfectly. Well, celebrate the festival season making these delicious sweet treats and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.